Raddedigion, rhieni a chefnogwr. Croeso cynnes iawn i chi i Seremoni Graddio, y Rydych Cyfrifiadureg Hanes a Hanes Cymru and Mathemateg. Graduates, parents and supporters, a very warm welcome to you to the graduation ceremony for the Department of Computer Science, History and Welsh History and Mathematics. Fy enw I yw Sarah, a fi yw prif dyswysio y seremoni raddio yma. Fy rôl I heddiw, gyda weddill y tîm yn y neuadd, yw I sicrhau bod y seremoni yn rhedeg mor esmwyth a phosibl. Cyn I ni ddechrau, dwi am dynnu eich sylwi at rhai pethau ynglyn â seremoni. Bydd y seremoni yn dechrau gyda gormydaeth o staff o adwarau academaidd, gwestion a swyddogion y brifysgol. Hefyd, ar y llwyfan, bydd Mr Richard Hanes OBE a fydd yn derbyn doethuriaeth anrhywydeddydd yn ystod y seremoni. My name is Sarah, and I am the Chief Marshal for this ceremony. My role today, along with the rest of the team in the hall, is to ensure that the ceremony runs as smoothly as possible. And before we start, I want to highlight a few things about the ceremony and how it will work. The ceremony will begin with a procession of staff from the academic departments, invited guests and officers of the university. And also on the stage will be Mr Richard Hanes OBE, who will be receiving an honorary doctorate during the ceremony. Fe fydd y ceremony yn dechrau gydag anerchiad gan Genghellor y Brifysgol, y gwir anrhwyddedus ffonesig Nicola Davies DBE. Ac yna fe, fydd Anna Johnson yn dod i llwyfan i gyhoeddi'r proclamation. Fe fyddyn wedyn y barod i groesaw chi myfyrwyr ar llwyfan. The ceremony will begin with an address by the Pro-Chancellor of the University, the Right Honourable Nicola Davies DBE, followed by a proclamation of the congregation to be read by Anna Johnson. And we will then welcome our students to the stage to receive their awards. The head of department will then move to this lectern and say a form of words in Welsh that presents the students to their award. An example of this is Anrhwyddedus Ganghellor, cyflwynoedd I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd. And this translates as, Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students from our department who have gained the degree of. We will then invite the students to cross the stage to formally receive their awards as the head of department reads their names in order. After the students have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be invited to stand and be greeted by the Vice-Chancellor in Welsh with the following words. Tro a diwrnod y brifysgol a ymddewyd mi dybyniaf hwy I radd ac I holl freiniau a radd hon. This translates as, by the authority of the university entrusted to me, I receive you to the degree of, and to all the privileges of this degree. The Chancellor will then greet the students and say, bod eich gofal yn wastad dot lwydd ac anrhydedd ein brifysgol a'n gwlad. This translates as, may your care ever be for the success and good name of our university and country. There will be a slightly different running order for smaller groups of students, including our PhD students, whose degrees will be conferred on the stage or in front of the stage. But essentially, the words spoken by the presiding officers are similar, and full details are provided in your graduation booklets, including the translations. Ar diwedd y ceremony, mi fyddwn yn sefyll I ganu anthem genedlaethol Cymru, a gofyn ni I chi beidio a gadael y neuadd nes bod swyddogion y staff y brifysgol wedi gadael y llwyfan. At the end of the ceremony, we will all stand to sing the National Anthem of Wales, and we ask that you do not leave the auditorium until the officers and staff of the university have left the stage. Bob blwyddyn, rydym yn wynebu elusen fel ein elusen y blwyddyn. Eleni, rydym wedi bod yn codi arian ar gyfer ambulans awyr Cymru. Elusen sydd yn dibyniol a rhoddion ac sydd yn cynnig gwasanaethau allweddol eich rhai sydd angen sylw meddygol bwys o fewn ein cymuned gwledig. Os ydych chi'n gallu helpu ein hymdrychonion, codi arian, mae bwcedi casglu 8 drysau wrth i chi adael. Bydem ni ac Ambulance Awyr Cymru yn diolchgar iawn am eich cefnogaeth. Every year, we nominate a charity as the University's Charity of the Year. And this year, we are raising money for the Wales Air Ambulance, an all-Wales charity dependent on fundraising to provide a key service for those in need of urgent medical attention within our rural community. If you are able to help our fundraising efforts, there are collection buckets at the door as you leave. And both we and the Welsh Air Ambulance would be very grateful of your support. Os oes ar gyffwng yn ystod y seremoni ac yn offynol i ni adael yr auditorium, gyfynnir i bawb aros ar ei heistedd nes i aelod o staff eich cyfeirio at our siambar berthnasol. Hefyd, os oes damwain neu ddigwyddiad yn ystod y seremoni, fe fyddwn os oes angen yn stopio seremoni i ddeilo ar y mater. Wedi dweud hynny, fyfyrwyr cymerch eich amser, does dim bwys i gerdded i fyny ac i lawr y grisiau. Dyma'ch diwrnod mwynheich. In the event of emergency requiring us to leave the auditorium, we request that everyone remain seated until you are directed by a member of staff to the relevant exit. Also, if needed, we will stop the ceremony to deal with any incidents or accidents that occur. And that said, students, please do take your time. There is no rush to walk up and down these steps. This is your day. Please enjoy it. Thank you for your attention. We are now almost ready to begin. Diolch am eich sylw. Fe fyddwn yn barod i dechrau yn fuan iawn.
Prynhawn da a chroeso cynnes iawn I chi. Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to what I know will be a particularly joyous occasion. My name is Nicola Davis and I'm the Chancellor of Aberystwyth University. Today it is my great pleasure to lead these proceedings. This ceremony is steeped in over a century and a half of history, tradition and heritage. It is an occasion designed to recognise academic excellence, your achievements, and a significant milestone in your journey as you make your mark on the world. Today's ceremony is also a celebration, one that we want you to enjoy and always remember. On stage, I'm joined by members of our academic community here at Aberystwyth University. We are also joined by officers of the university and, importantly, by prominent members of our wider community. The reason we all come together for graduation is because of the immense pride we feel collectively in you, our Aberystwyth graduates. We gather to celebrate your successes and hope that you, like generations before, will feel that Aber is a part of your life. Our celebration today is about recognizing your achievement as someone who is and will always be part of this special place. Seeing us in our robes, honoring all of you in yours, can feel somewhat formal, perhaps even intimidating. But that isn't what we want for you, your family and friends to remember about today. We want you to remember a joyous occasion, and we need your help to create such an atmosphere. So please remember this. As our graduates cross the stage, it will be a defining moment in their lives. It will be a moment that unlocks the next level and sets a course for a successful career. And that is something worth shouting about. So do it. Don't be shy, just cheer and clap, because all our graduates deserve it. On this occasion, I would also wish to recognise the contributions of one particular group of people, namely the staff in your departments and their colleagues throughout the university. They work incredibly hard, often unseen, to make your time here a success. They take great pride and pleasure in days such as today, when they see you take such a significant step in your respective lives. So please join me in thanking them for all they have done to contribute to your achievement. Diolch yn fawr iawn. For those not familiar with the great history of this university, Aberystwyth is the oldest university in Wales. Established over 150 years ago, we are extremely proud of our heritage in making a key contribution to the life of our nation. Our mission is to change lives for the better through all we do, and that includes education and academic research. And it is important to recognise that both of those elements impact on people from all over the world. Whether it's someone who has grown up in Aberystwyth or someone from the farthest reaches of our planet, this institution continues to be a beacon of light, growing knowledge which makes the world a better place. Our students and staff contribute a huge range of cultures and language to our community here, which reflects how Aberystwyth attracts expertise and learners from all over the world. And we are very proud to conduct the ceremonial elements of this occasion in the language of our home nation, Welsh. It is the language in which many generations of Aberystwyth graduates have been honoured and welcomed into our family of alumni. Today, you too join that worldwide family. I warmly congratulate you. It is an achievement and an honour. So please, make the most of today. Enjoy the ceremony. Cheer loudly for all those whose success is the focus of these celebrations, because it is an occasion upon which you will look back with great pride. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd.
Gorau awen gwirionedd. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad awdurdodedig heddiw yma yn nhref Aberystwyth. Trwy awdurdod Siarter Benhinol Prifysgol Aberystwyth, yr ydym yn ymgynnull I dderbyn i'w priodwobrau fyfyrwyr, sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Brifysgol a thrwy ddysg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfrifwobrau. Dathon eu llwyddiant yn y gobaith y cant fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethiau hoes a'i cenhedloedd, a thrwy y hymdrechion a'i cyflawniadau, y cyfrannant at wybodaeth a bydd cenedlaethau I ddod, ac yn rafael yr heriau sy'n wynebu ein byd. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth. Gorau awen gwirionedd. The best inspiration is truth. Let it be known to members of the university and to all here present that today an authorised congregation is being held here in the town of Aberystwyth. By the authority of the Royal Charter of Aberystwyth University, we meet to receive to their appropriate awards those students who have through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance been deemed worthy of their awards. We celebrate their success in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their countries, but also that through their efforts and achievements, they may contribute to knowledge and well-being for future generations and confront the challenges that face our world. A world without knowledge is no world at all. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth.
Angededdus is gan hellor, cyflwynaf I chi, fyfyfrwyr yn hadrannu a enillodd disgrif addig uwch. Daniel Rees Gretton.
Anrydeddus isganhellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyriwr o'r anadrannu a enillodd dystysgrif addysg uwch. Erin Fletcher.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol yn ddyrioed oed I mi, roi'n cadarnhau eich bod wedi derbyn tystysgrif etig uwch ar hollfreniau dystysgrif hon.
Bod o'r gofl yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
Anrydeddus Is-Ganghellor, cyflwyno fi chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadrynu a enillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau. Joel Neil Lefleur. Daniel Mains. Isabella Altio. Lowry Anderson. Ianto ap Rhin. Holly Bayliss. Emily May Bradley. Clemency Brown. Stephen Brown. Caris Davis. Oshan Davis. Emily Donaldson. Grace Faria. Isabel Fenwick. Kiera Filsell. Jessica Fox. Tom Hampton Smith. Edward Hatlem. Rose Hodge. Thomas Hughes. Caris James. Sophie Lee Trowell. Maya Martin. Scarlett Morris. Massimo Nunez. Grace Oliver. Lily Parkinson. J. Richards Evans. Marianne Roper. Rachel Seaborn. Laurie Ellen Spanner. Aaron Steele. Emily Stubbings. Charlie Tanner. Tyler Turner. Matthew Wardell. Nathaniel Webb. Caitlin Westwood. Robin Whitehead. Christopher Wilson. Amelia Fletcher. Thomas Hopper. Francis Johnson. Benedict Lakeman. Alexander McCorkadale Cruz. Thomas Dane. Anna Lowry Johnson. Tabitha Salisbury. Ruby Steele. Megan Watkins. Georgie Watkins. William Bebb. Amelie Gowen. Flora Mitchell. William Smith. Georgia Majerison. William Millward. Megan Thomas. Rachel Wesley. Jack Meredith. Sarah Sunshine Bowers. Caris Breeze. Elizabeth Crabtree. Harley Harrison. Jasper Walker. Alex Kevin Fullard. Edward Lipson Green. Tia Groom.
Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau. Amy Alice Hannon.
Trwy'r dydod y prifysgol, ymwythuriaid oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd baglo yn y celfyddydau ar ei holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boed o'ch gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
Anrhydeddus is-ganhellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr yn hadrani a enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Dylan Barnfield. Dana Filon. Akhil Joseph. Jamie Law. Luke McFarlane. Harry Haywood. Liam Davis. Ahmed Said Yaziki. Matthew Adam. John Bell. Connor Bethel. Rhys Bilson. Christoph Bonner. Harry Bowker. Jacob Broomfield. Edward Brown. Riley Brownson. Evie Bryant. Charles Joseph Burfield. Beck Chloe Chamberlain. Kem Chana. Gregors Chiolek. Joshua Coakley. James Collins. Nathan Cox. Ashton Crawford. Luke Cullen. Daniel Donegan. William David Evans. Robert Giojoba. Wael Badran Hamza. Sarah Hopkins. Rosalind Jeffrey. Begum Kaplanan. Noah Kemp. Callum Kingston. William Maddox. Laura Mann. Louis Marshall. James McCarthy. Eddie Milichip. Matthew Morgan. Abby Newman. Abdulalim Buluvatife Udofin. Harvey Overton. Liam Payne. William Pinto. Joshua Prince Smith. Zachary Ramsey. Louis Roach. Elliot Saunders. Tijana Savage. Prem Sharma. Sophie Scarlett Joanne Short. James Smart. John Stanford. Laura Straw. Scott Stiles. Jack Taylor. Brendan Mark Hayward Turner. Eliza Virgo. Lionel Varinda. Jake Whittle. Matthew Wood. Olaf Zajak. Wutong Huang. Jacob Blackburn. Daniel Chater. Thomas Croucher. Amy Daniels. Anera Joni Rosia Evans. Mats Haugerud. Saffron Herbert. Joanna Jivaruben. Tang Jasmine Kemp. Daniela Michelle Larch. Eva Pauline Martens. Jacob Moore. Ethan Swain. Edward Gareth Bridger.
Trwy dydod y prifysgol, myfyriad oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd baglo moyn gwyddoniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hop.
Boed o'ch gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rynydd ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
Angededdus isganellor. Cyflwynaf I chi, fyfyro yn hadrani a enillodd radd baglor miwn gwyddoniaeth. Evan Beckley Aird. Zacharias Colorado. Sebastian Commons. Daniel Aidan Downs. Anesti Jebraskabja. Amy Lerigo. Naoki Miyagawa. Bradley Riddles. Landon Ritzman. Gabriel Thomas. Mark Viva Peralvarez. Declan Roy Allen Wadsworth. Grace Carey. Tamsin Rose Clark. Rohit Ranjan. Jonathan Turley Skropper. Ashley Harrison. Nonatira Afika Haji Zulkifli. Joshua Stevenson. Thomas Henry Hutchinson. Louis Morland. Garrick Scanlon.
Anrhydeddus is gynghellor, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Barisgan Sobi. William Armstrong Barnes. Harry Beath. Thomas Clatworthy. Kyle Fletcher. Kirsten Gardner. Charlie Jones. Hannah Peacock. William Phillips. Brandon Underwood. Thomas Wollstonecroft. Joshua Wood. Daniel Baxter. Jake Donaldson.
Trwy'r adroddiad y Brifysgol, ymfferiaid oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd baglo mae'n gwyddoniaeth ac eich holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boi'r gofal yn wastod dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
Anrhydeddus is ganhellor, cyflwynaf I chi, fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor mewn parianeg. David O'Neill. Jack Prosser. Benjamin Coolidge. Ali Mert Osbeck. Louis Thomas Tierney. Jack Leonard Wilson.
Trwy'r adroddiad y prifysgol, myfyriwyd oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd baglo mae'n perianeg ac eu holl ffreniau radd hwn.
Boed o'i gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid ein prifysgol a'n gwlad.
James Slade.
Trwy'r adroddiad y prifysgol, myfyriwyd oed I mi, dibynnu â chi I radd meistyr mae'n cyfrifiadureg ac eu holl ffreniau radd.
Hawddam o'r eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrhydedus is gan hellwg. Cyflwynaf I chi, fyfyrwyr yn hadrani, a enillodd radd athro miliwn perianeg. Zakaria Avudun. Ian Sprigg Wiggins.
Trwy'r adroddiad y prifysgol, ymddiried oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd athro mae'n perianeg ac eu holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawddam o'r eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrhydedus is ganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn Mathemateg. Juniper Hopkinson. Harry Richards.
Trwy'r adroddiad y prifysgol, ymddiried oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd athro mae'n Mathemateg ac eu holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawddam o'r eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anchadeddus isganhellor. Cyflwynaf I chi, fyfyrwyr yn hadrani a enillodd ddiploma uchraddedig I Brifysgol. Alicia J. Jackson.
Trydydod y Brifysgol, dderiaid oed I mi, dibynnu a chi i'r ddiploma wrth raddedig y Brifysgol ac i'r holl ffreniau y cymhwyster hwn.
Hawdd am o'r eto, da gan y Brifysgol a'ch derbyn i'r cymhwyster hwn.
Anrydeddus isganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n adrannu a enillodd radd athro yn y celfyddydau. Lucy Rhian Jones. Susan Whitbread. Oliver Samuel Clark. Anna Ebel. Lily Tatiana Eliza Muller. Lucy Olivia Peaches Sansom. Claire Strubberg. Marina Dieden. Thomas Richard Morgan. Bleddyn Peter Allen Smith.
Trydydod y Brifysgol, yn dderiaid oed I mi, dibynnu a chi y radd athro yn y celfyddydau ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd am o'r eto, da gan y Brifysgol a'ch derbyn an athrawon.
Anchadeddus isganhellor. Cyflwynaf I chi, fyfyrwyr yn hadranu a enillodd radd athro miliwn gwyddoniau. William Dominic Abbott. James Danjuma. Robert Sean Edwards. Catherine May Fitzpatrick. Badrodin Eid Hamida. Anbarazan Kazibel. Claire Hilary Denny. Ira N. Rowe. Evan Neal. Ethan Palmer. Oluvatobi Ayokunle Adesanya. Satya Venkata Hanumatsantosh Praka Shunduru. Reina Kadir. Daniel Marek. Louis Perrot. Muna Alas. Ina Antemi. Charlotte Banks. Thomas Collins. Caitlin Dixon.
Trwy dydod y prifysgol yn dderiau oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd athro mae'n gwyddoniaeth ac eich holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Angederis Isgan Hechlo. Kuvlinaf Ichi. Vyvyrur yn Hadrani a enillodd radd 2,000,000 athroniaeth. Muhammad Iftikhar. James Bradley Edward Strong.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol yn dderiau oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd doetha mae'n athroniaeth ac eich holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethuriaid.
Anrydeddus isganghellor, cyflwynaf i chi fyfyrwyr o'n adrannu a enillodd radd doethur mewn athroniaeth. Joseph Crozier. Judith Mary Tulfer.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol, dderiaid oed I mi dibynnu â chi y radd doethau mae'n athroniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Haddam o'r eto, da gan I brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethuriad.
Ganghellwr ac is-ganghellwr, raddedigion a chyfaethlion. Pleser o'r mwyaf yw cyflwyno Richard Howells I dderbyn gradd doethur ac anrhydedd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Chancellor and Vice-Chancellor, graduates and supporters, it is an honour and a privilege to present Richard Howells with an honorary doctorate of Aberystwyth University. Today belongs to you, the students sitting in front of me. So it is fitting that the person we honour now is someone who once sat exactly where you are sitting. He's a computer science graduate of this university who left here with the very degree most of you are collecting today. Apologies to those with other degrees, what I say does apply to you as well. His name is Richard Howells. In the computer science department and in other departments, we spend our career teaching people things and hoping they'll do something worthwhile with them. In computer science, we teach them to build systems, to solve problems, to think clearly about difficult things. And then they graduate. They disappear into the world, and much of the time we never find out what became of them. With Richard, we did find out. So 15 years ago, Richard founded a software company, Bronze Software Labs, and he grew it into a genuine success. He was building technology for everyone, from government and the military to museums and schools. But the thing that tells you who he is isn't the variety of the work or the success of the company. It's what he chose to do with that success. One thing he did was he kept in contact with the computer science department here. He gave many of our industrial year students their first real experience of industry. He employed our graduates. He provided sponsorship for industrial conferences that we ran. He didn't simply take what the university gave him and move on. He spent years giving back. And then he did something harder than building a company. He took everything he had learned and pointed it at one of the most stubborn problems this country has: how we care for people who need help and support. Out of that study, the Tribe Project grew. It was at least related to looking for care for his family, but it has now provided care to more than 500,000 people, created 317 new care businesses, delivering tens of thousands of hours of support every week. And it's been recognised by the World Health Organization as one of the finest innovations of its kind anywhere in the world. He has been awarded an OBE for his work with the Tribe Project. In the computer science department, we teach people to develop software. What graduates choose to do with those skills is entirely up to them. Some build things that make money, and Richard did that, but he also built things that make lives better. To those of you who are graduating today, some of you will go on to build companies, write software, and design systems we cannot yet imagine. The challenge that Richard's life puts to you is not whether you can build something successful. It is whether you will make a positive impact in the world. Richard has made people's lives better by building innovative software systems, and we're recognizing that contribution today. Ganghellwr, mae'n pleser gen I gyflwyno Richard Howells I dderbyn gradddoethir Llynedd Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Chancellor, it is my absolute pleasure to present Richard Howells to you with an honorary doctorate of the University of Aberystwyth.
Dagan y Brifysgol a'ch derbyn yn ddoethir. Congratulations.
Diolch yn fawr. My friends, 23 years ago, I sat where you sit. As a tradition, I now stand before you to pause for 5 minutes and humbly impart what I hope will be useful advice. The world is experiencing profound technological, geopolitical and societal change. Times like this have come before, and times like this will come again. That is not intended as a warning, but as comfort. You are not the first generation to stand at the edge of the unknown, and you will not be the last to find your footing there. Change is powerful, necessary, inevitable, and often terrifying. Your approach to change and your relationship with fear will have a more profound impact on your happiness over the coming decades than almost anything else that you'll do. Rest assured, there will be times in your life when you feel frozen into inaction. When you freeze, remember these words: everything you want is on the other side of your fear. It is my experience that if you never engage with discomfort, you will not grow as an individual, and perhaps never even realize your potential. That may be fine for a time, but a consistent course along that heading is all way too often the pathway to regret. Listen to me when I say, learn how to deal with discomfort. Do not wait for it to disappear or subside. Take the risk, choose action. I believe that time is the most valuable resource you have. How you choose to spend that resource is a representation of who you are. You can learn more about a person by watching how they choose to spend their time than by almost anything they'll tell you about themselves. My hope is that you will find a way to spend your time on something with profound meaning to you, something that will make the world just a little better. Work that matters will carry you through difficult times. Work that doesn't, won't. Something worth holding on to, especially now. Imagination is your superpower. Original thought is what it means to be human. In today's digital world, remember, a machine can only build on what has come before, on patterns which it has already seen. Your passion and your imagination are what makes you human. They are the origin of innovation and will tackle some of the most profound challenges facing our planet and our species in the year to come. Like anything, if you choose not to use your imagination, it weakens and you will be on track to become a cog in the machine. Do not doubt the power of visualization. Whatever you choose to focus on has a way of becoming your reality. If you can see it in your mind and truly believe it in your heart, you can bring it into being. Some of my best ideas have not come from years sitting at a desk, slogging it out in a slick-looking office. It may come as a surprise to you that the idea that became the Tribe Project came to me 160 miles into an endurance race across the Sahara Desert. It seems profound that a technology born from just watching people support one another in searing desert conditions has since touched the lives of more than 500,000 people. Unorthodox solutions to complex problems rarely arrive whilst you're comfortable. Go looking for discomfort. It has a way of finding the ideas that comfort never will. Remember, diamonds cannot form in the absence of pressure. You will spend your life being labelled. 69% of people form a first impression before you speak. It takes 1/10 of a second to decide if someone is trustworthy. Most people will decide in just a few seconds if you are clever, skilled, attractive, not quite good enough, or exactly what they expected. Let them. Every single one of you is completely unique, and no label anyone gives you will ever capture that. What will determine how far you'll go isn't the label others give you. It's the labels you give yourself. You are the one person you will spend your entire life with. That relationship you have with yourself, how much love, respect, and forgiveness you're willing to offer yourself is ultimately what matters when things don't go to plan. Something I've learned is confidence is built every time you keep a promise to yourself. Not every time someone keeps a promise to you. You will never feel ready because ready isn't a feeling, it's a decision. Your new self will cost you your old self. Don't be surprised when growth feels like a small loss before it feels like anything else. It sounds obvious when you say it aloud, but learn to enjoy your life without needing an audience to witness you enjoying it. And remember that worry is such a terrible use of your imagination. The same imagination I just told you is your superpower. Point it at the change you want to see in the world, not at what you're afraid might happen. The tools available to you right now are more powerful than any other point in human history. Leverage them to do something that has never been accomplished before. Never stop dreaming that things can be better. Class of 2026, please rise, please stand. I spoke earlier about the importance of time. Before I close, I want you each to pause in this moment. Be fully present. Look around you. Really look. Let yourself see, drink in the details of this great hall, your peers, your friends, your families. Fully capture this memory. Before you are your professors. They have chosen to spend their time, their careers, their lives, dedicating themselves to improving yours. Class of 2026, please make some serious noise for the faculty of Aberystwyth. Croeso Ganon. Bless you, Aberystwyth.
Wel, prynawn da, bawb. Fi o'n i o'r athro John Timmis, a fi yw is-gangello y brifysgol. Mae'n bles y dechrau trwy ffwyd llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn i chi heddiw. Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Timmis, and I have the privilege of being the Aberystwyth University Vice-Chancellor. And it's a real pleasure that I can begin my address by saying a huge congratulations to each and every one of you that has passed over the stage this afternoon. As you crossed the stage, and we did that, and we doffed our boards, not only did you graduate and take that significant stride forward in your chosen field or career, but you also cemented your place in the Aberystwyth family. And that is a worldwide family of the Aberystwyth University alumni. And a very, very warm welcome to that family. And I can tell you from experience, it is one that, if you so wish, will embrace you and support you for many, many years to come. And be in no doubt whatsoever, you deserve it. You have worked hard. I am sure you've had some good times, and I'm sure you have had some challenging times. But you have made it, you are here, and we are privileged to be able to share this day with you. Rydych chi'n heiddi dathlu heddiw. Dywyrnod chi yw a rydy y staff y brifysgol, a ddiolchgar am y cyfle y mi rannu dywyrnod gyda chi. For me, it is extra special to see your achievements, as there's a few of us on this stage now. I am one also who walked across this stage, also as a computer science graduate many, many years ago. And I know what a life-changing experience that was for me. Looking back, I can see the profound impact that this university has had on my life, but also the lives of many others as well. In my case, Aber was the springboard I needed for the career that took me to many places, met new exciting people, and took on new and exciting challenges. I have to say, I never dreamt in a million years I would be back here as Vice-Chancellor, being the one doffing to the students walking across the stage. But the funny thing is, this place, Aber, never really leaves you, no matter how far you go or where you are. There's something, I think, intangible about Aber. And you may feel it a little bit already on a day like today, but believe me, over the years, it only gets stronger. And I will guarantee that you will be in a random place, in a random country, and you will meet someone who has been, or knows someone who has been, to Aberystwyth University, and you will talk for hours about it. Mae Aber nawr yn rhan ohonoch chi, fydd y byth yn gadael chi. Dwi'n gwybod hynny fwy na neb. I love graduations, I always have. And like many colleagues, I see graduations as a great celebration and a time when we look to you, our graduates, and admire the journey that you have been on and we feel gratitude and pride that we have been able to play a part in your journey. It is a huge privilege and an honour to work with each and every one of you every day, and it is equally pleasing to see you move on to the next stages of your lives. There is a lot going on in the world today that challenges us, but that has been true for some time. You are a generation that has come through the COVID pandemic, as hard as that was, for so many reasons. You've come through testing economic times, you've witnessed global instability, the likes of which hasn't been seen probably during our lifetimes. And with all that, you have successfully graduated. You have shown great resilience, determination, as well as a huge amount of talent. Our planet will continue to face significant challenges, financial, political, wars, instability, but I, for one, take great comfort knowing that some of the solutions to those challenges will be shaped by you, our graduates from Aberystwyth University. Can I reiterate something the Chancellor said earlier, that you may see some of the people who have helped you throughout your studies here, lecturers and other Aberystwyth University staff. And I can honestly say that the staff here are totally dedicated and committed to your success. And I know that today's ceremony will bring them a great deal of pride and emotion to all of them. So felly, diolch yn fawr iawn I staff y Brifysgol. It's a big thank you to the university's staff. But looking around you today, many of you will also see friends, supporters, family members who have been with you and who have supported you during your studies, and probably a long time before that as well. Even more poignantly, I dare say that some of you will be thinking of friends and family members who are no longer with us. Whoever it is who has supported you on your journey to this point, I would like you please to stand now. Feel free to give them a wave if they are here. Certainly hold them in your thoughts and thank them for all that they have done. Please can I ask you to stand and thank the people with you. Diolch yn fawr i chi. That worldwide family of Aber alumni I was referring to earlier, it's a pretty big family. As you know, we've been doing our work here in Aberystwyth for over 150 years now. So that's a century and a half of academic excellence, of career-changing experiences, of partnerships, and of friendships established. So please do stay in touch with us and your fellow alumni. Now, cyn gorffen y seremoni, hoffwn I ddweud unwaith eto pa mor falch ydyn ni ohonoch chi. Now, before you go and celebrate, I would just like to reiterate that we are immensely proud of what you have achieved. Grateful to all those that have supported you, and we wish you every success in what you do next. Please do hold a special place in your heart for Aber. Go into everything you do as an energy giver, not an energy taker. Be confident in your abilities and your expertise to make your mark in the world. And go and do what generations of Aber graduates have done before you. Go, make a difference, and change lives for the better. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. Now, we are at just about the final part of our ceremony this afternoon. So to conclude, I will ask you to stand, and we always finish our graduations by singing the Welsh national anthem, Hen Wlad Fy Nghadau. Thank you.